Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Smart Education. And today we are going to learn how to write alphabets. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z, small z. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe Smart Education channel and hit bell icon for latest updates. See you on next video. Thank you for watching this video.